going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I am Josh. This is Ohio Off-Road. Ashley's behind slinging the camera. We got Willie in the shop helping us. Well, I guess it's a garage. There's two differences. What's one difference between a shop and a garage? A shop is where work happens. A garage is where you have to park your cars. We have too many cars, so this is a garage. All right, but today we have to get our camper situated so it fits in the back of the new truck. So we just got this truck, I don't know, maybe a month ago, maybe 2 months ago. It's a Ram 3500 diesel with the duals. So with having the duals is our big problem. So we have our camper tie down mounts. These are, I believe the maker was Brophy or something along those lines. And we used this on the old truck, which was a Chevy 2500 single wheel. And we were able to use it without any problem. So what they do is just kind of clamp on there. So as you see, if a single wheel truck, you don't have any issues with these. But the duals, because of these big giant fenders, they hit. So what we need to do, we need to extend this out. So what I'm thinking, if I extend it out about 4.5 inches, it should give us plenty of room to be able to get those on and tie the camper down. So we just have to do it. That's all we have to do. So we're gonna see, I'm gonna test out a new welder. I just bought a Hobart Ironman 240. So we're gonna test that out. Don't make fun of my little baby tank. You know, working on a budget. So all I have is a small tank that I've been using for a while. So hopefully
it'll get upgraded.
Yeah, hopefully we don't run out of gas today, which I don't think we will. But there's nothing to it but to do it. So let's get moving. So the reason why we are modifying these is, one, we already have them, right? And two, the ones that fit dualies, they cost like $800. I'm not trying to spend $800 when that's what I spent on our camper was $800. So with just this, a welder, some cutoff wheels, and a piece of 3/8 scrap metal, we should be able to get all this stuff done for theoretically a few dollars. So let's go. So first thing I'm going to do is just cut out our 4 pieces of this 3/8. So I should be able to get 4 pieces of 4.5. So I'm just you're gonna want to come over here, you and Willie.
Come here, Will. Come on, good looking puppy. Hey Josh, it's probably hot.
Yeah, it's probably hot. All right, so right now we already got those 4 pieces cut. And sadly, I can't use the chop saw to cut these because of how the wings come down. So we just have to grab our plasma and hopefully just zip it right off. So let's get that. Cut.
You got some quick feet there, Josh.
I started thinking, I'm like, that's just gonna fall right on my feet.
Almost did.
Yep. So we got the first one cut. Just gotta cut the rest of them.
Looks pretty good.
Alright, so they are all cut up. Now we just got to grind those down, put a little bevel to them, so they come out a little bit easier.
Must say, Josh, your new plasma cutter really came in clutch.
Yeah, I think it's pretty nice.
What kind of plasma cutter did you get?
So it's a Hobart Airforce 40i. I had one of those cheap little Amazonian ones, or from the jungle site, and those ones do not work like this. These are way better. So that's it. Chafered pretty good. I think that welder can handle it if it's not the best, but I think we're good. So we're just gonna put everything together, give it a couple tacks, and then we should be able to just test fit it, make sure everything fits. Got me? All right, so I'm still trying to figure this welder out. I haven't really welded too much with it. But this thing's kind of nice because it gives you a chart that tells you what kind of thickness material you're running. So we are running 75/25 and it's 3/8. So if we go down, we're using 035 wire. So it wants me at 7.5 and then 55. So we're just gonna run that with the recommended settings for now until I start to get this welder more dialed in. But that's really nice to give it to you. All right, let's glue this together. All right, so I just laid a couple tacks down. So I'm just gonna see if it fits before I completely burn it in. So I'm not wasting time. So let's see. It looks like it's gonna be, okay, we can bring it all the way to there. And we got plenty of room right there. So that's good. Let's check the other side because I got the plug on the other side. This side. Yep, so that's it. So they will fit. So we're gonna go ahead and go back, burn it all in, and then we'll have new adaptions for our camper. Flip it over and get the other side before it starts to pull it too bad. All right. That's the first one done. Doesn't look terrible. Like I said, I'm still getting used to this welder. I'm sure these welds will definitely hold. And I think we're good. Yeah, those welds ain't going nowhere. So just need to do the other 3.
So he's setting that up.
Yep.
We have 3 back brackets ready to go. 1, 2, and 3.
Yep.
Of course, we still have to grind them down to make them look a little pretty, but.
Yeah. So we got everything done except for the last one. We just got welded together. Then I don't know if I'm going to put anything else on those welds. I think their welds are going to be fine. What I was thinking about doing is putting another plate over top, but it's 3/8 to 3/8, so I don't think we're going to have any issues. So let's glue this last one in. Still not the best, right? I'm not a welder. So much respect to the welders out there, but I am not a welder. But those are going to be good, strong, penetrated welds. So we're good. We're just going to clean those up and go from there. Yep. What's going on, everybody? It is the next day. I did get those brackets all done. So I'm going to turn you around and show you guys now. So if you look here, we have plenty of room on that flare just by adding this 4.5 inches. So they're good and stable. Right there. They ain't going nowhere. And the fronts really didn't need that much room. But I still put them on. Still better to do it. Have them all be the same length in case something happens a little bit later. And you can see how much room. So they were coming down and hitting right there. And same with the front. All right, that's it. I just got to get this loaded, get the camper on it, and then we're good to go. All right, guys, that is all for this video. Hope you guys liked it. Like I said, I'm trying to do some more stuff in the garage shop, whatever you want to call it. And we are on our way to AOA, so we're going to record for this, and it's probably going to be a month from now when you guys will see it. But we have our camper on now, and our mounts are working phenomenal. So everything works out. We've gone on, I think, what, 4 trips now with those mounts on it, and everything's working good. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, tell all your friends about us, and all the other fun YouTube stuff. All right, guys, we'll see you guys on the trail. Adios.